This is a like a very interesting discussion wherein like see traditional developer, they had a different mindset. Traditional developers, they always used to think that which framework should I use to develop an application, which database should I use, which is the fastest one, how do I optimize this code, how do I optimize this function. So traditional app development is all about writing correct code, writing optimal code, code optimization. But when we are designing data intensive application, there the set of questions are totally different. We are thinking about failure modes. We are asking about what happens when data doubles. We are thinking about scalability. We are thinking about failure models, failure modes. What guarantees does the system provide? What trade-offs am I expecting? So when we are designing, when we are dealing with data intensive applications, our thought process, our mindset is totally different. We are thinking about the scale, the latency, the consistency factor, the trade-offs, failure modes, the resilience. So designing data intensive application is all about, it's not about code optimization, but it is about designing resilient systems. It is more important. Resilient systems is important. Like our application should be able to handle error. If some node goes down, like a database node, if it goes down, some backup mechanism should be there. Some backup node should come into the picture. So that we call it like resilient systems. So when we are designing the data intensive applications, we are thinking about the components, like the databases we will be using, the cache mechanism, indexing, queues. We are thinking about interactions, how these components will talk to each other. We will be thinking about trade-offs between availability and consistency, wherein consistency says that regardless of the delay, regardless of the lag, more important is the up-to-date data, showing the most recent data. And availability means it's okay to show a slightly old data, but lag should be minimal. So there is always a trade-off. We are thinking about data flow, and we are thinking about failure boundaries. Like that, we are thinking about how the systems can fail, failure modes, and we are working on it to design resilient systems. So the idea is very clear. So in designing data intensive applications, the implementation, like the code becomes an implementation detail of a larger system. So first we design a larger system and code will be the implementation of it. So code becomes an implementation of a larger system.